No one's coming to save you. Escape broke life with this money mindset. Welcome to the broke escape plan. You're waiting, aren't you? For the perfect job, that one lucky break, for someone to finally notice how hard you're working and just give you a hand. But right now, you're just stuck, drowning in a cycle of debt and stress, secretly hoping a hero will swoop in and save you from it all. I'm here to tell you something you already feel deep in your bones. No one is coming. But that's not bad news. That is the best news you could ever hear. Why? Because the moment you stop waiting for a savior is the moment you realize you're the savior. The power to fundamentally change your life has been inside you all along, and it starts by flipping the one switch that's kept you trapped: your money mindset. Let's be brutally honest, this feeling of constantly waiting, it's draining. It's that Sunday night dread about the week ahead. It's the knot in your stomach when you even think about your bank balance. It's the quiet desperation of working your tail off and still getting nowhere. This cycle is a nightmare, but it's not entirely your fault. You've been programmed with an invisible script. It's called the broke mindset. Being broke isn't just a number in your account. It's a mental cage that keeps you there. It's a set of toxic beliefs you absorbed without even realizing it. From family, from society, that money is scarce, that it's always a source of stress, and that real wealth, well, that's for other people. This mindset, that's the real villain. It's an invisible force field that deflects opportunities and locks you in survival mode. It cons you into believing your circumstances define you, when the truth is your mindset defines your circumstances. But what if you could burn that script? Starting today, what if you could uninstall the broke mindset virus and install a wealth mindset in its place? Escaping this life isn't about getting lucky. It's about making a conscious decision to think differently. So let's get into the mindset shifts you need to make to become your own rescuer. 1. Ditch the victim. Become the CEO. All right, the first and most critical shift is this. You must stop seeing yourself as a victim of your life and start acting like the CEO of your life. The broke mindset loves to play the victim. It's that voice whispering, "Life isn't fair," "I was dealt a bad hand," or "My boss is why I'm underpaid." And listen, that thinking feels justified, but it leaves you 100% powerless. The second you blame someone or something else, you've handed over all your power to change your situation. You're a spectator on the sidelines of your own life, waiting for the world to fix a problem that only you can. The wealthy mindset, however, is about radical ownership. I want you to start thinking of yourself as the CEO of You Incorporated. A CEO doesn't blame the market. They innovate and adapt. They don't complain about a problem. They architect the solution. A true CEO takes complete ownership of everything, the wins, the losses, all of it. When you adopt this CEO mindset, I promise the game changes. You stop asking, "Why is this happening to me?" And you start demanding, "What am I going to do about it?" Suddenly, your financial life isn't a series of unlucky events. It's a business to be managed. Your income isn't just a paycheck, it's revenue. Your expenses aren't just bills. They are either investments in your growth, or they are liabilities holding you back. This isn't about pretending challenges don't exist. They do. But a CEO sees a challenge as an opportunity to get stronger, not an excuse to quit. They know that success or failure rests on their decisions. So it's time. Fire the victim, promote the CEO. Take control of the one company you have total authority over, your life. 2. Stop consuming, start investing. The second major shift is moving from a lifetime consumer to a lifetime investor. And I'm not just talking about the stock market. I'm talking about how you deploy your two most precious resources, your time and your money. The broke mindset is obsessed with consuming. It's hardwired for the instant fix. When you get a spare moment, you consume entertainment. When you get extra cash, you consume stuff. The new phone, the new clothes, the takeout. Things that deliver a short-term high but leave you with nothing of value. This mindset is literally trading your future freedom for a cheap thrill right now. It is the hamster wheel of earning and spending that keeps you trapped. The wealthy mindset is an investor mindset. It operates on one powerful principle: delay gratification today for total freedom tomorrow. An investor is constantly asking, how can I use my resources today to create more resources tomorrow? So when an investor has a spare hour, they don't just binge another series. They invest that time. They learn a high-income skill, read a book that rewires their thinking, or build a side project that can generate income while they sleep. When an investor has extra money, they don't ask, what can I buy? They ask, what can I build with this? They use that money to acquire assets, things that will put more money back into their pocket. They understand money is a tool. Its primary job isn't to be spent, it's to be put to work. Here's the bottom line. The broke mindset is focused on looking rich. The wealthy mindset is focused on becoming rich. From now on, with every dollar and every hour, ask yourself one simple question. Am I consuming or am I investing? Is this action feeding an impulse, or is it building my future? The moment you prioritize investing over consuming, you start building real, irreversible wealth. 3. Kill emotional spending, build consciously. The third shift is about transforming from an emotional spender into a conscious builder. This one cuts right to the heart of your daily habits. The broke mindset runs on emotion. It uses money as a drug. Stressed out? Go shopping. Bored? Scroll Amazon and click Buy Now. Feeling insecure? Buy the flashy thing you think will make you look successful. That is emotional spending, and it's a brutal trap. You aren't fixing the problem. You're just numbing the pain with a dopamine hit from a purchase. This creates a vicious cycle where your feelings control your finances instead of your goals directing them. The wealthy mindset, in contrast, is about conscious building. It views money as a raw material, like bricks and mortar, to construct the life you actually want. Every financial decision is intentional. It is aligned with a master plan. So how do you do this? It starts with radical awareness. You must know exactly where every single dollar is going. This isn't about judging yourself or feeling guilty. It's about understanding yourself. Once you track your spending, you'll start seeing your emotional triggers. You'll realize the £100 on takeout last week wasn't about food. It was about being too exhausted to cook. That online shopping spree wasn't about need. It was about boredom. Once you have this awareness, you can get ahead of it. Instead of throwing money at an emotional fire, you find a better, cheaper solution. Feeling stressed? Go for a run. Don't go to the mall. Feeling insecure? Review your written goals. Don't buy status symbols to impress people you don't even like. This is not about depriving yourself. It is about trading mindless, fleeting pleasure for deep, lasting fulfillment. You stop using money as a band-aid for your feelings and start using it as a tool to build a future where you are secure, free, and in total control. Here's the raw truth. Being broke can be a temporary situation, but a broke mindset can be a life sentence. You might have wasted years waiting for the cavalry, for a hero to rescue you. The entire point of this is to make you realize that the person you've been waiting for is you. The power to transform your reality isn't in a lottery ticket or a lucky break. It's in your mind right now. It starts by taking 100% ownership, like a CEO. It grows by shifting from a consumer to an investor in your own future. And it's solidified by moving from an emotional spender to a conscious builder. These are not just nice theories. They are active choices you can make every single day that build on each other. You're not broken. You're just ready for a software update. You have everything you need inside of you to start this revolution right now. The only question is, will you? If this video was the wake-up call you needed, drop a comment below and declare it. What's the first mindset shift you're going to make starting today? And hey, if you're serious about taking back control and engineering a life of financial freedom, subscribe to the channel, because your journey to becoming your own hero is just getting started.